real estate properties. Markets in Nigeria. Focus on Owerri and Lagos. Real estate. Comprehensive guide for investors. The real estate market in Lagos, Nigeria, offers a myriad of opportunities for investors seeking profitable ventures. Whether you're interested in the bustling urban centers or the serene suburbs, Lagos real estate promises significant returns. This guide delves into various aspects of property investment, focusing on Lagos and other prominent Nigerian cities like Owerri in Imo State. Understanding Lagos. Real estate. Lagos, the commercial hub of Nigeria, is renowned for its vibrant real estate market. The city is characterized by a diverse range of properties, from luxurious apartments in high-rise buildings to affordable housing in the outskirts. Investing in Lagos real estate can be highly lucrative due to the city's continuous growth and development. Key areas for real estate investment in Lagos. 1. Victoria Island, known for its high-end properties and commercial spaces. 2. Lekki, popular for residential estates and growing commercial developments. 3. Ikeja, the capital of Lagos State, offering a mix of residential and commercial properties. 4. Yaba, emerging as a tech hub with increasing demand for both residential and office spaces. Exploring Owerri, Imo State for real estate investment. Owerri, the capital city of Imo State, is another promising location for real estate investment in Nigeria. The city's strategic location and improving infrastructure make it an attractive destination for investors. Investment opportunities in Owerri. Residential properties. Affordable housing developments catering to the growing population. Commercial properties. Opportunities in retail and office spaces due to increasing economic activities. Hospitality sector. Investment in hotels and recreational facilities is growing. Property investment strategies. How to earn money from home in real estate without investment. For those looking to venture into real estate without substantial capital, there are several strategies. 1. Real estate crowdfunding. Participate in property investments with minimal capital through crowdfunding platforms. 2. Property management. Offer property management services to landlords and earn a commission. 3. Real estate marketing. Utilize digital marketing skills to promote properties for agents and developers. Best business in low investment real estate. 1. Real estate consultancy. Provide consultancy services to potential buyers and sellers. 2. Rental arbitrage. Rent properties long-term and lease them short-term on platforms like Airbnb. 3. Real estate photography. Offer professional photography services to property owners and real estate agents. How to make money in real estate. Daily investment. In real estate, investing in real estate on a daily basis can involve monitoring market trends, keeping abreast of market trends and property values. Networking. Building a network of real estate professionals, including agents, developers, and investors. Continuous learning. Engaging in ongoing education about real estate laws, financing, and market dynamics. Nigerian property development, trends, and opportunities. Nigerian property development is evolving, with several key trends shaping the market. Green buildings, increasing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly buildings. Smart homes, integration of technology in homes for enhanced security and convenience. Affordable housing, government initiatives to provide affordable housing to low and middle-income families. PWAN, leading the way in Nigerian real estate. PWAN, Property World Africa Network, is a prominent real estate marketing and development company in Nigeria. They offer various opportunities for investors, including Land acquisition. Facilitating the purchase of land for residential and commercial purposes. Property development. Engaging in large-scale property development projects. Investment plans. Offering flexible investment plans tailored to different investor needs. Conclusion. Investing in Lagos, real estate, or exploring opportunities in Owerri, Imo State can yield significant returns. Whether you're interested in high-end properties or low investment ventures, the Nigerian real estate market is ripe with opportunities. By leveraging strategies like real estate crowdfunding, rental arbitrage, and continuous market monitoring, you can build a profitable real estate portfolio. Stay informed about trends and developments to maximize your investment potential. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. 1. How can I start investing in Lagos real estate? Start by researching the market, identifying key areas for investment, and networking with local real estate professionals. Consider engaging with real estate firms like PWAN for guidance and investment opportunities. 2. What are the best low-investment real estate businesses? Real estate consultancy, rental arbitrage, and real estate photography are excellent low-investment businesses. These require minimal capital and can be started from home. 3. How do I make money from home in real estate without significant investment? You can earn money by participating in real estate crowdfunding, offering property management services, or leveraging digital marketing to promote properties. 4. What trends are shaping Nigerian property development? Key trends include the rise of green buildings, the integration of smart home technology, and government initiatives for affordable housing. 5. What is PWAN's role in the Nigerian real estate market? PWAN is a leading real estate company in Nigeria, offering services in land acquisition, property development, and investment plans, making it easier for investors to enter the market. By understanding the dynamics of Lagos real estate and exploring opportunities in other Nigerian cities, investors can strategically position themselves for success in this growing market.